I was a young and on the wrong path. I was grinding, looking for benefits at every opportunity I was finding. Soul made of fire, ring chains, make it out. I was burning and coming up with big passion and a bullet talent, changing colors like a butterfly, trying to stand bright with the shining stars. Find a new hobby to fill my soul. I've been feeling like a puppet, chasing on a chosen purpose. I might bend my eye, leave my head on the carpet, bend the scene, take the evidence, put the hand on the pocket. I was one making way for the fam, living an extravagant life in the can. Come for Kenny gold milk, doing things on the cam, switching capelos like I got attitude. Promethazine and mole is the same if you put love to it. Giving joy and happiness in people's life. They ask me what I put in. Simping around, giving frame to the locals. Checking course, perspective, passion with the vouchers. Make it to the open view, a grenade playing with the fighters.